Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a Bosch oven flashing the error code E305, you're in the right place. This frustrating error can halt your cooking plans, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get your oven back up and running quickly. Let's start by understanding what this code means. E305 on a Bosch oven typically indicates a problem with the temperature sensor or the control board. Essentially, it's the oven's way of saying, hey, I can't regulate heat properly. This could mean your oven isn't heating up or is overheating, which affects baking and roasting. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The error often stems from a faulty temperature sensor, which might be worn out or damaged over time. Loose wiring connections in the back of the oven can also trigger it, as can a buildup of grease and grime on the sensor, blocking its ability to read temperatures accurately. In some cases, electrical issues or even a malfunctioning control board could be the culprit, especially if your oven is older or has seen heavy use. Alright, time for the solutions. First, try a simple reset. Turn off your oven at the circuit breaker or unplug it, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in and power it on. This clears temporary glitches about 30% of the time. If that doesn't work, inspect the temperature sensor. Unplug the oven for safety. Remove the back panel, and check if the sensor is dirty. Clean it gently with a soft cloth and ensure it's securely connected. If it looks damaged, you might need to replace it. Bosch parts are easy to find online. Next, examine the wiring. Look for any loose, frayed, or burnt wires around the sensor and control board. Tighten connections if needed, but if you're not comfortable with this, stop here and call a professional. In more serious scenarios, the control board may need repair or replacement. This is best left to a certified technician to avoid voiding your warranty or causing further damage. Remember, always prioritize safety. Never work on an electrical appliance while it's plugged in. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consult your oven's manual or contact Bosch support. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy home fixes. See you in the next one.